How about using a brooch for a completely exclusive and sophisticated look? Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist and an image consultant. And if any one of you are new here, please consider subscribing. And please do not forget to press that bell icon. So let's dive right in. So today we are going to discuss about this exclusive accessory called the brooch. Now, as all of you must be aware, a brooch is nothing but a very simple or a tiny or a medium-sized accessory like this, which is very, very rare and very exclusive. And for the same reason, it is not used as much as it should be. So let's look at the ways in which this beautiful accessory is used. To begin with, this accessory can be used with garments like a shirt or a top or anything on your chest like this. Then you can use it on your shoulder. For example, when you wear a sari or a dupatta or a lehenga, you can wear it on your shoulder. You can also wear it, sometimes some people use it on their arms in a very interesting way. Then you can use it on your collars, on your shirt collars or any top collars. And then you can use it also with accessories like a dupatta or a stole. And also on your bag. It really gives a very completely alternate look. And why should you use this accessory? Well, as I told you before, it's something very exclusive. It is actually very rare. Not many people wear. 9 out of 10 people, you look around you, you don't spot many people wearing this beautiful accessory. For the same reason, you should try, think or probably experiment with this accessory. And a person using a brooch will always be looked upon as very stylish, very edgy, very exclusive. So I am also going to show you some different ways in which this exclusive accessory can be used. Here we go. I believe that all of you have liked this video and you all saw the different ways in which it was used. Now, I would love to know if you guys, any one of you, are using it in a different manner. If so, please comment down below. And if any one of you have not subscribed it, please subscribe right away. And do not forget that bell icon there. Please press on that so that you get all my notifications with all my videos. So I'll see you soon. Till then, as I always say, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and have complete trust in the future. So I'll see you soon. Signing off, Archana Shankar.